little better tonight?
Well, you know, hockey's an interesting game. A good friend of mine said instead of calling hockey, you should call it goalie. And you know, we did everything we wanted to do today, and Brendan Garrett, it was just outstanding. You know, we did what we wanted. We got our chances. We worked our tails off, and you know, their goalie was outstanding.
You guys really came on strong towards the second half of the season there. What allowed you guys to do that? What happened?
Kids just, you know, they came together as a team, and you saw it today. We rolled every line played on the power play, every line killed penalties, and you know, that's the definition of a team. You know, these kids, it's as unified a group as I've had, and I've been at it for a while.
Who were some of the leaders in that locker room?
You know, everybody. You know, it was seniors a little bit, but then there were some quiet kids that, you know, we got in the semifinals we got a goal from every line, and in the quarterfinals we got a goal from every line, and there were no stars and there were no egos, and so you know, they brought themselves together, and it's a journey from where we started in November. I'm very proud of them.
I'm sure it's a disappointing locker room in there. You guys had a lot of scoring chances early on.
Sure did.
Looks like you guys were dictating play somewhat. What do you say to your guys?
I'm proud of them. I'm proud of them. You know, as I said, I've been at this for a very long time, and that's one of the best teams I've had. One of the best group of kids I've had. And you know, I think they understand what that means.
And to your outgoing seniors?
Just, you know, we had a chance today before we came over. John Higgins is playing for UVM tonight. I came in and talked to the kids and talked about playing the Final Four and playing a state championship because he won one with us. And I told these kids that they've joined that fraternity. You know, they've joined the fraternity of Exeter hockey, and it's a pretty rich tradition.
Too early to start thinking about next year, but you think this experience will be will help you out, you know, with having
you know
these guys?
Each group teaches the next group, and Exeter Athletics, not just hockey. Exeter Athletics is a rich program, and we'll be back. We'll keep battling. We'll show up and play.